Hello, welcome to Afaan Oromoo Learning. In this video, we will cover how to say various greetings for different times of the day in Afaan Oromoo. The times we'll be going over are morning, afternoon, and night. Let's start in order with the morning. In English, when you usually see someone first thing in the morning, you would say, good morning, or just morning. But there isn't a phrase like that in Afaan Oromoo. Instead of wishing someone good morning, it's customary to ask someone how they slept. To ask this, you would say, Akkam bulte, Akkam bulte, Akkam bulte. This means, how'd you sleep? To make this phrase plural, in this situation you are asking more than one person how they slept. You would ask, Akkam bultan, Akkam bultan, Akkam bultan. To respond to this question by saying, I slept well, you would say, Ani nagan bule. Ani nagan bule. Ani nagan bule. Ani means I, nagan means peacefully or good, and bule in this context means slept. So you're saying, I slept peacefully, or I slept good. Generally, it's also polite to ask how the other person slept too. You can ask this by saying, Ato naga bulte. Ato naga bulte. Ato naga bulte. Ato means how about you? To reiterate, naga means good or peaceful, and bulte means sleep in the you form. So you're asking the other person, how about you? Did you sleep well? Now, the answer to this question would be a simple yes. Yes in Afaan Oromoo is eye, eye. There could also be the situation that you didn't have a good night. To say, I didn't sleep peacefully, you would say, Ani nagan in bulle. Ani nagan in bulle. Ani nagan in bulle. The only difference with this phrase compared to the positive version is the addition of the word in. As you might have guessed, it means didn't, and can be used to negate any verb following it. Now, after this, the person might inquire why, but we won't venture into that advanced level of grammar in this video. So, let's now move on to the next time of day, which is the afternoon/evening. Just like the phrase good morning, there really isn't a phrase in Afaan Oromoo that translates to good evening or good afternoon. Instead, a common greeting for the afternoon is asking how someone has been. To say, how have you been? It's Akkam olte. Akkam olte. Akkam olte. To make this plural, you would change olte to oltan and say, Akkam oltan. Akkam oltan. Akkam oltan. To respond, you would say, Ani naga ole. Ani naga ole. Ani naga ole. You could also take away the ani and just say naga ole, because ole is in the verb form I, so you know you're talking about yourself when you say naga ole. Another very common response you will hear is naga galata waq ayo. Galata means thanks, and waq ayo is the name for God. So in this phrase, you're saying naga, I'm good, galata waq ayo, thanks be to God. Naga galata waq ayo. However, this response can be used at any time of the day. In fact, it's often used to respond to someone simply asking how you are, which is Akkam jirta, how are you? We've covered all the basic greetings in the previous video, so make sure to check out that video as well after this. Lastly, we've come to greetings, or rather farewells, for the nighttime. In Afaan Oromoo, you usually tell the other person sleep well before you head to bed. To say sleep well, it's naga buli, naga buli. Naga buli. You'll notice how similar this is to the morning greeting. To make this phrase plural, change buli to bula and say naga bula. Naga bula. Naga bula. As a little bonus to this video, I'll be explaining how to say goodbye. In Afaan Oromoo, the most common way to say goodbye is actually the Italian word ciao. So, when you want to say goodbye, you'll say ciao. Another common way to say goodbye is naga. Na-ga. Naga. Which you already know pretty well means peace. So, by saying naga, you're wishing someone peace as you wish them goodbye. That will be all we'll be covering in this video. Thank you all for tuning in. If you want to continue to expand your Afaan Oromoo, which I encourage everyone in this channel to do, please subscribe and follow along for future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!